नमस्कार जी, मैं हूँ डॉक्टर अमिता बहल with my podcast number 5. Today we are going to talk on दोस्त, दोस्ती and relationships. कभी कभी कई दिन बड़े अजीब होते हैं, कभी हवा तो कभी बारिश होती है, एक दूसरे के साथ मौसम खेल खेलता रहता है. We can get caught unawares. हम कभी कभी बुरी तरह से फंस सकते हैं. So we need to be prepared. एक छाता या एक अम्ब्रेला हमें लेके निकलना पड़ता है ऐसे मौसम में. It may start as a scorching day fraught with heavy tempers, giving rise to lots of heat and sizzle. It may be very uncomfortable also many a times. But soon the cool and calming breeze may usher in a sweet little drizzle. Like this. The tempers of the aura and the atmosphere will slowly calm down. Similarly, the muscle and the tussle of this complicated life puzzle will start to unwind and also get some respite and maybe a little delight. Yes, this news bulletin is what I'm going to use on us. On us that's you, us that's me, and us for everyone around us. All are known tools. Just like the weather can at times change abruptly thanks to the oft heard term of global warming, likewise, we too are subject to temperaments, upheavals of the mood which can destroy the sanctity of the mind and indirectly affect the peaceful scenario at home or at workplace or in the community. One needs to understand why I have chosen suddenly to broach this subject. Right? Friends, I had talked of relationships in my last podcast. While the mood and the morale, the psyche and the mental equilibrium of the mind and the happiness are really difficult to analyze. Remember, most times there may occur an imbalance between them. It may surface like a mild little crack on a glass pane, which if left unattended to, will gradually widen the gap in one or more of the relationships we are talking about. Let me get into the nitty-gritty of relationships, which are not relatives, but other kind of relationships. Let's talk of acquaintances, contacts कौन होते हैं, colleagues कौन होते हैं, comrades कौन होते हैं, companions कौन होते हैं, and friends. We shall discuss relatives later on. अब acquaintance वो होता है जिसके साथ you are interacting with once in a while. He need not be your friend, right? He becomes a contact once you exchange a dialogue with him for some purpose or intent, and then the exchange, the mobile numbers जब हो जाता है, then you start connecting with him at a later date whenever you need to, right? Similarly, who is a colleague? A person whom you work with is a colleague. You are bound by a common need to work together to achieve a common goal. A colleague may never ever become your friend, but a friend may someday become your colleague. Agreed? अब contact कौन हुआ? This is a very broad spectrum word which encompasses each and every person whom you know and he is on your list of your iPad or on your phone. Now, there may just be a name in the list under a subheading. He can be a facilitator, a financial consultant, a banker, a work colleague, or people you may have known in the previous city, or maybe you have traveled together somewhere, or maybe from a different country. You may never ever connect with that person, but he is there on your list, and you can connect with him as and when you require. Now, who is a comrade? A person you work with in close contact for a particular agenda for a limited period of time. You come together. He can also be called as an associate, a buddy, or a chum. The term oft used in the forces is comrades in action. Your close friend or associate is also your comrade. अब companions कौन होते हैं? One who spends a lot of time with another person is your companion. A contact you may have for a limited period of time may switch into another role, and later on he may become a friend and you may start living together. In the West, a lot of elderly people have picked up traveling companions and they travel together. They are not related to each other, but they travel together and they pay a small amount of fees also for that companion. In our country also, the children are so busy in their own pursuing their own careers, which is also correct. If they can afford to, they pick up a traveling companion for their mother or their father or the elders, and they normally pick up a dosti also between each other. So this is interdependence. For a paltry amount of money, you give some money to the companion, and the companion gives time and energy for you. In a simple way, I have tried to outline the various associate bodies. But see, all of them have some common features. They are not relatives, they are not your rishtadars. They are circumstantial. Necessity brings them together. They may roll from one category into another if the association, the ideas mingle and there is a desire to continue with their association. Conversely, they may be friends that may get into a teamwork together after thoughtful deliberation or join work together in the same organization with intent to further their interests. As also, once the goal is achieved, the team in most cases dissolves and the members go on their individual paths. Unless, of course, a person or to remain associated, be it for furtherance of their official ends or their likeness to get into a friendly association. So, who really is a friend? अब दोस्त कौन है? Friendship, दोस्त. A person you like, you may not work with him at all or ever, but you like to hang around with him. A childhood friend, you want to do nasty and naughty things together which you did in your childhood. A bridge of dosti binds them together. You may not meet each other for weeks or maybe years. I have a friend, childhood friend from school in Dev Road, Pune. We don't meet each other for years, but we look forward to meeting each other. Look forward to spending more time with each other. It may not be possible, but we don't begrudge each other. We accept the shortcomings. We are impervious to their financial, social status and love nurturing the association as friends. So, happiness and peace of mind stand on a tripod of friendship, trust and faith. फ्रेंडशिप को बोलते हैं दोस्ती. एक कविता मन में मेरे उठ रही है, शब्द वाक्य बना रही हैं. आओ इसको हम देखें, सुने, परखें. एक दोस्त वो जिससे आप जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं, चाहे कोई रिश्ता हो या ना हो. वो जो अपना हो, आपको समझता हो, वक्त पे काम आता भी हो. दोस्त वही जो दिल को रुला दे, आंखों को हंसा दे, माथे की सलवटों को सहला दे, भारी थकान को भुला दे, मन की शंकाओं को कुछ वक्त के लिए सुला दे. दोस्त वही जो बारिश में भी तुम्हारे कहने पर सैर करने को चल पड़े, घर वालों को थोड़ा नाराज भी करना पड़े, अपनों के बुलाने पर निकल पड़े. आर्थिक स्थिति की परवाह ना करते हुए अपने दोस्त को मदद का विश्वास दे, जो हर वक्त दूसरों के लिए तत्पर तैयार हो. अपने लिए, अपनों के लिए तो सब करते हैं, पर जो वक्त पर काम आ सके, जो वक्त पर पहुंच सके, जो खुद बेशक अस्वस्थ हो पर आपकी तकलीफ में मौजूद हो, तब तकलीफ के समय आए, कोई रिश्तेदार पहुंचे या ना पहुंचे, ऐसे खंबे जैसा आपके साथ खड़ा रहे. रिश्तेदारों की कमी महसूस ना करने दे. दोस्त वही है, वही सही है, वही असली दोस्त है. मेरे दोस्त. एंड में बोलूंगी, अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. और मीट यू आफ्टर 10 days. ऑल द बेस्ट.